Welcome to Hobbi 101, where we make creativity calm, mindful, and fun. In today's video, I'll be drawing my very first mandala, step by step. It's simple, relaxing, and you're welcome to follow along, or just enjoy watching the design unfold. There's something quietly mesmerizing about mandalas. I've admired them from afar. Today, I'm drawing my very first one. If you've ever thought these look too complicated, stay with me. You'll see just how simple it really is. Before I dive into drawing my mandala, I like to warm up with a few simple fills. Think of this part like stretching before exercise. It relaxes your hand and gets you into the flow. Stick around because in just a few minutes, you'll see how simple lines turn into something magical. Let's begin warming up with spirals. No rush, just steady, flowing motion. Next, the simplest of all, dots and circles. Small, round, and peaceful. They're like pauses on the page, little moments of stillness. Now let's try a few triangles. Sharp points, steady edges. They add contrast like tiny mountain peaks scattered through the design. From there, soft petals, round at the top, joined at the base. Gentle shapes that always feel natural inside a mandala. Arches come next. Think of little bridges curving across the page. Each one leans into the next, creating rhythm and flow. Now I'm going to vary them a little by adding some decoration. Up next, you'll see how even these simple practice fills can unlock the rhythm of a mandala. Drop petals are a new favorite of mine, almost like raindrops falling onto the paper. They taper softly at the bottom, and it feels calming to repeat them. Then pointed petals, a bit sharper, like flames or sun rays. They give the mandala energy and direction. And finally, lines with dots, simple strokes grounded by tiny anchors. These fills are small on their own, but together they create the vocabulary of a mandala. Once I'm warmed up, I'm ready to begin the full design. Where are you on the mood meter today? If you're following along, drop your mood before and after drawing in the comments below. Mandalas symbolize balance and reflection, and that's the energy I brought into this drawing. I started with simple lines, petals, and curves. Watch how I build circles with my Helix Circle Maker tool. You can also use a compass or find circular items in your house that you can use to trace a circle. I begin by placing the tool at the center of the page and lightly drawing my main circles. These will become the framework of my mandala, the layers where each set of patterns will grow. The spacing doesn't have to be exact. The beauty of mandalas comes from balance, not perfection. Once the circles are in place, I add a few divisions, straight lines radiating outward like spokes of a wheel. These help guide where each petal, spiral, or shape will sit. Think of it as a map. It keeps everything connected as the design expands. With my foundation circles and divisions in place, I'm ready to start filling this framework with patterns. Each layer will grow outward, step by step, until the mandala comes alive. Let's start inking. I'm beginning with a simple black orb at the very center, adding a soft highlight so it feels grounded and luminous. Next, I'm surrounding it with petals, letting my pencil guidelines keep the shapes balanced and symmetrical. Now I'm outlining the next circle with a delicate ring of tiny beads, like pearls resting on the page. In the following layer, I'm weaving in stripes and swirls, bringing contrast and movement to the design. Keep watching. Something I didn't expect is about to happen. This is where it got interesting. I sort of had a plan, but as I drew this layer, the swirls became different sizes. Instead of correcting them, I relaxed my hand for a bit, took time to breathe deeply, and kept going. Sometimes letting go of perfection opens up something even better. Just let it go. Don't worry, I won't break into song. So what happens when imperfection becomes the design? Keep watching, you'll see. If you're enjoying this peaceful process and want more mindful art tutorials, hit that subscribe button. It really helps me create more content like this. Lines and dots follow, a steady rhythm that connects the layers together. And for the final touch, I'm adding ornate arches, giving this mandala a graceful finishing frame. And here it is, my finished mandala. It's not perfect, but it feels honest. Drawing it was peaceful and honestly a little emotional. If this is your first mandala too, I hope you feel less intimidated. And if you've come back to draw along, thank you. That really means a lot. What is your mood now after you have drawn your mandala? I'd love to see your first mandala attempt. Share your creation with me using hashtag Hobbi101mandala. I read every single comment and I'd love seeing your creativity. So now you've seen how a mandala begins, one circle, one shape at a time. If you enjoyed this but want something more fluid, join me in the next video where we explore a beginner-friendly zentangle pattern. The link is right above. I'll meet you there.
With gentle strokes, the journey starts. A canvas blooms from simple arts. In tranquil lines, your zen unfolds.